So this is the story of how I discovered free trial subscriptions, one of the most powerful ways to grow a multi-million-dollar subscription Shopify business in the world. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my free trial subscription Shopify product brand, how I built it, and give you some ideas and show you step by step the breakthrough formula that can make you millions of dollars if applied to the right product. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video useful. So first up, why would you want to create a subscription brand? So stating the obvious, the great thing about subscription is you make the sale once and then you can get paid every single month for the sale you made once, right? And you could go, let's say you're selling, if we get the calculator out right here, let's say, your average order value is just $50 and you have 1,000 subscribers. Let's say you're getting 30 subscribers a day, and in a month you get 1,000 subscribers. So that's 50 times 1,000. Now you're getting $50,000 every single month coming in without any extra work. And the great thing about subscription is it just kind of compounds on itself again and again and again and again. So the thing about subscription is it is a little bit trickier. You can't do this with any shit products from China. You can, but people are going to cancel pretty quickly when you do that. There's all kind of sneaky ways you can use this strategy that I'm about to show you. So there's all kinds of subscription companies. We don't have to go into lots of them, just showing you some for ideas. We have a tea company, we have a coffee company, and then we have my one over here, but this is the one I'm going to show you how you actually do a free trial. So last thing I want to say about subscriptions is with a subscription, you can create a much higher average order value, right? So instead of you selling the coffee, if you try and sell coffee and you build a coffee brand and you're selling it for like $15, good luck. Your cost per customer is probably going to be $50, could even be $60, $70, $80 to get one customer to buy a $15 product from you. That is not how these companies grow. So the subscription business, what's so great about it is you can take a product that was previously considered boring, it's totally against like drop shipping, right? It's not trending, it's not found in stores, it's not like all of those criteria that you usually like sort drop shipping products by, viral products. It could be a boring product, toilet paper, coffee. But why it can work is they just add some cool branding to it. Maybe you want to go into like a specific country like the UK market or European market, and then they only focus on subscription. So now when they're selling that coffee for say $15, but it's a subscriber, the average subscriber might stay for 1 year. So they're actually getting maybe like $200 from each subscriber instead of $15. Now they can go out there and spend like $100 to acquire a customer for a previously thought of as a boring product that wouldn't work on say Facebook ads, and they can rinse it. So what is the biggest problem when it comes to subscription? The biggest problem with subscription is that it can be hard to get the customer at first. So this isn't the subscription page, but yeah, it can be hard to get the customer at first. So what is the easiest way to get around this? How do you blow up a subscription? What I have found to be the best thing ever is offering a free trial. How you do this is kind of complicated with Shopify, so I'm going to show you the tech stack to do this right now and how you can do this for literally anything you want. So first of all, the product I did this with is called Evercat. We're not really building it right now. We've got another brand that's taken precedence over Evercat, but it was a really great idea. It is a great idea. We're going to be building it anyway. So as we can see here, Evercat, build a strong immunity for your beloved pet. It is an all-in-one cat supplement, 20 healthful nutrients, multivitamin for your cat. So it's one of my products. Nice little landing page here, nice sales page, right? You see like all this cool stuff. Looks pretty good. If you want to know the secret, I just used this company called Landing Page Dude. These guys, they're not cheap, but you can see they've done landing pages for Harry's, Tropic, all these massive companies, and these guys will build you a sick, dope landing page for your product and do whatever you want with it, right? So here we can see we have free trial. Just pay $7.99 shipping and handling today. So here's where it gets really cool. Instead of giving it completely for free, we make them pay shipping and handling. Now that recoups some of the money back from advertising straight away. And then we get another level of sneaky. and not necessarily sneaky, but another level of badass, which is we add order bumps and we add one-time upsells. So when I was running this really successfully, had some issues with policy on Facebook ads, we were being profitable month one running a free trial subscription. So first off, you obviously want a product to sell, right? Let me find right now on-demand fulfillment. What I recommend, there's a couple of companies that I recommend that you can start with to test an idea like this. One of them is called On-Demand Fulfillment, okay? So On-Demand Fulfillment, they are private label supplements and different kind of products, and they will do this for you, what we call on demand. So you don't actually have to buy any of the products up front. You don't have to spend money on inventory. You simply look through their catalog, choose a product that you'd like to use, and then you can get a designer to do your own design with your own brand. You send them the packaging design, then they integrate with your Shopify store, and then every time you get a sale, they automatically fulfill it and send it to the customer, 3 to 5 days shipping or 7 days shipping, really fast from the USA. And then they simply send you an invoice each week for the products that you sold in the previous week. Here, we can see they have a weight loss category. We can sell weight loss supplements. They have hair and beard. They have detox products. These are like CMOS is a really popular product right now that this would do really well with. We have female, men's health, prostate formula, all these kinds of different products that you could go through and choose, and the prices are really good. Look, $5 for one if you're selling like only 1 to 200 a month, and then it gets cheaper if you sell like 20,000 a month, $3.60 a month, and the shipping is pretty cheap as well. So $9 for one bottle, $10.50 for 2 bottles. So pretty cheap fulfillment. There's all kinds of companies like this. You just have to search on Google on-demand fulfillment companies or on-demand supplements, whatever. So supplements is a great place to start. So let's say you've chosen your product, you know what you want to sell. How do you actually create the free trial subscription? So this is an integration between between Shopify and Clickfunnels, okay? You can build this page in whatever you want, your sales page, but what you need to do is you need to have the checkout on Clickfunnels, and I'll explain why in a second. So we can see here, when they click on over here, what it says is, you got 1, 2, or 3, and the price says 0 for each of them. Just pay $7.99 shipping and handling per bag for the first 30 days. Now we have the disclaimer here, just pay $7.99 per bag for the first 30 days, cancel any time and you won't be billed again, or do nothing to keep receiving your EverCat for $24.99 a month per bag. So if they go with this default 2 option, they're going to pay $7.99, so that's $8 times 2, they're going to pay $15.99 up front. Then they're going to be rebilled at $50 a month after 30 days, forever until they cancel. So you can see how crazy powerful this is, right? If they buy the 3, they're going to be rebilled at $75 a month. If they buy the first one, they're going to be rebilled at $25 a month. So this is a crazy great strategy. Works like nothing else. It's an amazing way to build a subscription business. Now if we scroll down, we also have here these 2 order bumps, multiple order bumps. So they can add rush shipping for $4.99. They can also add this complimentary product, Hip and Joint Plus, 50% off for $12.99 with free shipping. So if they buy this, and they buy this, and they pay this, they're actually paying me a lot of money for a product that is really, really cheap for me to fulfill and send out to them. And then most of the time, like 80% of people will rebill that first month and won't cancel. Some people get pissed off. That's the thing with the strategy you have to be aware of. If you're doing this, we actually use a different page to this that makes this a lot more clear right at the top how the subscription works, so we don't have pissed off people. People will get pissed though. Some of them will want refunds, but that's fine. But because it's so effective, it doesn't matter. So how do we build this? What you want to do is go on over to clickfunnels.com. I'm just going to log into my ClickFunnels account real quick. Alright, so now I'm in the ClickFunnels account. I'll get to the next step. So we can see here we have the order form, right? And that is what you saw over here. So we have the landing page, step number 1. This can be designed, it could be in your Shopify, in a page builder, it can be in ClickFunnels. This right here, this is built in WordPress, and I paid the landing page dude company to build me this page. So I follow the template. I'm probably going to make a video on the landing page template I like to use. I write the copy, I do that, and then I send it to them, and they make it look really good and convert well. So then it goes to this, and this page here, if you want the template for this, actually what you can do is just message me over on Twitter, and I can send it over to you. So how we set this up, we have an order form within ClickFunnels. We can go into edit here, but we're not going to mess around with this too much. But the most important thing here is you go over to products. And here we can see we have the 1 Evercat, we have the 2, and we have the 3. And then we can go into edit, open one of them up real quick. So over here on the product details, this is where the magic happens with ClickFunnels. So we can put in here the price $7.99, but the display override is 0, save 35. So instead of them seeing $7.99 here, they actually see 0, 0, save 35. So if we click on that, you can see over here on the right, it updates 0, but you see shipping and handling is $7.99 per item. So if they click on 3, it still says $7.99 per item, so they know they're going to be charged $7.99 times 3. So that is what you do within ClickFunnels on the product level. And then the actual order form yourself, that will just show up like this. The other thing that you can do on the products is you add these things here. These are order bumps. You add hip and joint, or whatever complementary product. I like to add the rush shipping. And then over here in the template, we have these set up as order bumps. If you click on this, you see ClickFunnels multi-bump, and you add these in ClickFunnels by clicking this, and you simply click order bump, and boom, you can add these order bumps. You can add multiple order bumps, and then you just kind of add them in here, and you'll see a section to click they are an order bump. So the next step of this process, which makes it even better and more more profitable, is adding one-time offers. So once they actually check out through this process, we have one-time offers, a series of one-time offers. So the first one I like to do is I like to offer more of the same product. I like to go ahead and say, hey, you've bought this already, how would you like to have a massive saving of this product? So I offer them a 3-month and a 6-month supply, or sometimes I do a 6-month and a 12-month supply. So you can see the average order value can be stacking here massively. This is $80, this is $41.99, and I offer them a massive discount. You can play around with the discount. 30% works fine. I wanted to do a massive one because we wanted to get rid of some of this stock. And yeah, that is it. I'm not going to show you all the other one-time offers, but basically what I like to do is, number one, I like to offer more of the same product at a discount, 3-month supply, 6-month, or 5 bottles, 10 bottles, whatever. The next thing I like to offer is a complementary product. So let's say you pick a supplement, let's say you're selling that CMOS, you could then offer like a thyroid thing or something for weight loss as a complementary offer. And then third, I like to offer one more product of the original product they bought, just one unit at a really low discount that makes it just a no-brainer offer to run. So that is how I like to structure these ClickFunnels and these free trial subscription businesses. So there's one thing missing that I want to explain to you in this video, which is how do you actually sync this free trial from ClickFunnels over to Shopify. How you do this is you use something called App Trends. Okay, so App Trends, it is a Shopify app. You go to apptrends.com, funnel orders to Shopify. Doing this is the secret formula that you can use to create all these free trial subscriptions and subscription funnels in ClickFunnels that link to your Shopify account. So once you do all of this and you do it successfully, you find a good product, you can now run ads on Facebook, on TikTok saying, hey, get your product free for the first month, just pay shipping and handling. And they pay that. Often they'll buy 2 or 3 and pay 3 shipping and handlings. They'll choose the accelerated shipping, they'll choose the guarantee, they'll add on the complementary products, and they'll even buy like a 6-month supply within the funnel. So you can be really profitable on day one, and then every single month thereafter you have subscriptions coming in, making you loads of money. This is one of the best ways in the world to grow a multi-million-dollar e-commerce offer. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and I hope to see you in the next video.